Okay, we'll just start with how about number 1 on your worksheet? Okay, that way you know what you're doing. You can watch me do one. Here's number 1. Now, first thing, locate your fractions. 3 1/3 and 1/4. Common multiple. Okay, I take the largest, write down my multiples. There it is, 12. Okay, I'm going to multiply the whole thing by 12. So I have 12 over 1 times x over 3 plus 12 over 1 times x over 4 equals 12 times 7. If you still can't see what you're doing, get a highlighter. Highlight your 12 in there. Now cross reduce. I have 12 over 1, 4. So I'm left with 4x. Plus 1, 3. 3x equals 84. Now, today we're going to solve the equation.
Good.
So we have 7x equals 84 divided by 7. That one's not bad. What about, let's do number, we'll do number 8. We'll do number 8. 8's pretty tough. That's one you're working on? Okay, let's try number 8.
Oh, wait, no.
Oh, you can figure that one out. That one's pretty easy. You should end up with x equals 12. Where is my mouse? Okay, if you have fractions inside parentheses, what did I tell you to do? If you have fractions inside parentheses, what do? What? Yes, distribute. So I'm left with 1/3 x minus 1/6, multiply the top, multiply the bottom, minus 1/4 x plus 1/12 equals 1/3. Now, find common denominator. 3, 6, 4, 12, and 3. I can tell you what that is right away. 12. Okay, I'll go into 12. 3, 6, 4, 12. So I'm going to multiply this entire thing by 12. Now, I want to show you a trick. You see how everything has a 1 on top? Okay? When you multiply this 12, you can just go 12 divided by 3 is what? So you're left with 4x. Minus 12 divided by 6? 2. Minus 12 divided by 4 is 3. Plus, x. Don't forget that x guy. Plus 12 divided by 12? 1. Equals 12 divided by 3? And there it is. Now you have to solve the equation. So combine like terms, 4x minus 3x, 1x, or just x, yep. -2 plus 1, -1 equals 4, add 1, x equals.
We don't have to check it.
Nope, you don't have to check it today. If you want to plug it back in and check it, you can, but you do not have to. Not requiring you to.
Won't ever make us do that, will we?
What's that?
Won't ever make us like check it.
Sometimes. When we do 2 equations with 2 unknowns, I will.
Well, if we do the calculus.
Number 9. Okay, now I look at this, I locate the fractions. The reason that's important is because I have a fraction on the inside, so I have to distribute. Okay, so I have 3/8 x minus 6/24. Now, if you want to reduce that, you can. That way you don't have to multiply. 6/24 reduces to what?
1/3.
1/3. So you can actually reduce that to 1/3. Plus, do I have to distribute this one? No. There's no fraction on the inside of the parentheses, so you do not have to distribute. Same with the half. Now, I have 8, 3, 4, and 2. Those all common multiples. If you can't think of it, get your 8, write it out. 8, 16, 24, 32. They all go to 16? No, 3 doesn't go to 16. We'll have 24. There it is. So I'm going to multiply this entire equation by 24. I'm going to write it out. Okay, so I have 24 over 1 times 3/8x minus 24 over 1 times 1/3 plus 24 over 1 times 1/4 x plus 3 equals 24 over 1 times 1/2 x minus 5. Holy cow. I ran out of room. Out of room. Right, that's right time. Now, reduce. I have 1, 3 times 3 is 9, 9x. 1, if I'm going too fast, somebody raise your hand and slow me down. Going too fast? Okay.
Yeah.
Reducing. First one, 8 divided by 8 is 1, 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9, and x. 9x. Cross reduce, 3 divided by 3 is 1, 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 times 1 is just 8. Now I'm going on. Plus, 4 divided by 4 is 1, 24 divided by 4 is 6. 1 times 6 is 6, so I have 6x plus 3. Equals, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 times 1 is 12, x minus 5. Now, today, have been finished yesterday. Now today, we have to solve. So I'm going to distribute. So I have 9x minus 8 plus 6x plus 18 equals 12x minus 16. It's distributed twice. Combine your like terms. 9x and 6x, 15x, 8 and 18, or negative 8 and 18 is 10. Subtract 12x for both sides. You can do this. I don't need to go slow here. You can solve the equation. X is just negative 70 over 3. Can't reduce that any further. Okay, if I have 1/5 plus 2/5 equals x fifths, what do I technically, how do you add fractions?
Tops.
Yeah, you add the tops, right? This is just 1 plus 2 equals x, isn't it? So look at number 13. They're all y's, aren't they? So isn't it just 17 plus y plus 32 plus y equals 100y?
So you can just cut off one.
Yeah, if they're all the same. You can. So that makes number 13 easy. Let's do number 12, and that'll be the last one. I'll let you guys look at the rest of the page. Number 12. Okay, I have 7, 21, and 4. Common. Well, I know 21 isn't, because 7 times 3 is not 21, it's 28. So let's get out 21, and let's write out multiples. I have 21, 42, 63, 84, 105. Okay, now let's look at these. 21, no. 42 is divisible by 7, but not by 4. 63, no. 84, yes. 84, you were right. Okay, now you're going to multiply the whole thing by 84. So I have 84 over 1 times 15x plus 2 over 7 plus 84 over 1 times 3x minus 2 over 21 equals 84 over 1 times 3 over 4. Now I'm going to cross reduce each section. Here I have this section right here. 1, this is going to be 12. So I have 12 times 15x plus 2 plus, cross reduce, 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 times 3 is 12. 3x minus 2 equals, cross reduce, 21 times 3 is 63. There's your equation. Now we have to solve the equation. Well, in order to solve, I first have to distribute. 12 times 15. 180. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 2 is 24. Combine your like terms. 180x plus 36x. Oh, by the way, I graded your test, and yes, you guys did. There were like 4 people that combined unlike terms.
Oh, man.
So, just so you know. 216x plus, oh, look at that, 24 and negative 24, 0. So I don't have to add that. Equals 63, so divided by 216. Let me think here. Yeah, I can divide both of those by 3, so I can at least reduce that. It would be 7, this would be 2, and this would be 21. I think that's where you can go. Not sure. Anybody think of something else? 3, 2, no.
Like you.
Oh yeah, 3.
Oh,
Right? If I divide 72 by 3, I'm going to get 2. No, that's not right. I can't. Yes, I can. Put it in a count. Wait, no.
24.
Okay, here we go. Thank you. So 24 and 7, and now I'm done. So it's x equals 7 over 24. Any questions? Go ahead and get busy.